Hi, this is a quick demo of my self-improvement habit tracker. I've tried a lot of habit trackers and apps, but most of them are either just basic tables or they force you into subscriptions just to keep using them. So I decided to do things differently and build my own tracker with real features that actually help, including one very special feature that I'll show you at the end. So first you'll get a link like this. When you click it, it opens in a Chrome tab and lets you create your own personal copy of the tracker. What you're seeing here is the backup version, but don't worry, both the base and pro versions have the exact same functionality. The pro version simply adds an automatic data backup feature, which I'll demonstrate later in this video. Go ahead and click make a copy. I wouldn't wait a moment. All right, this is our tracker. Yes, there's a lot going on here. So let me walk you through everything step by step. At the top, you'll see the selected month, which is January. You can change the year or the month and the dates will automatically update. Below that is the daily habits section. This is where you write the habits or tasks you want to track. I've left it blank for now, so let's add one. Next to that is the goals column. Here you enter a number between 1 and 31. This represents how many times you want to complete that habit in the month. Now look at the graph section. Right now the graph is flat and that's intentional. Watch what happens as we start marking habits. This section here is the daily overview, which updates automatically as you complete tasks. And below that is the top 10 daily habits, which ranks your most completed habits. I'll show how this works in a moment. Now let's start marking some days. Notice how the graph begins to rise. That's your global progress, showing your daily task completion percentage. You'll also see peaks forming in the graph. That's driven by the math running behind the scenes. It dynamically adjusts as you complete or miss tasks. Let's mark a few more entries so you can clearly see the changes. Now here's the progress table. This shows exactly how many tasks are completed and how many are still left, along with a bar chart for quick visual feedback. You can see that one of the habits has already hit 100% completion. I've also added a pie chart here so you can instantly see where you stand for the entire month at a glance. Now look at this habit, walk 10,000 steps. It's at 100% completion, which means it automatically appears in the top 10 table. This table ranks your habits based on completion, and the rankings update dynamically. Let's change a few entries and watch what happens. See that? The rankings shift, and now read for 30 minutes becomes rank 1. It's a small feature, but it's surprisingly motivating. You actually want to beat your own rankings and smash your habits. And that's how the tracker works. Now let me show you my favorite feature, the data backup system. This is a pro version feature. Let's change the month to March. Wait about 2 seconds and you'll see a pop-up. Now you're looking at February, completely fresh and clean. Let's make a few changes here. Notice how this data is different from January. Now let's go back to January. Wait 2 seconds. And there it is. All your January data exactly as you left it. This is my favorite feature because it lets me compare past months with my current progress and really understand how I'm improving over time. Now let's jump back to February and you'll see the data return to where we left it. Move on to March, and once again everything resets cleanly for a new month. You might notice a false tab here. Don't worry, just add a value once and you're good to go. I'll leave the rest for you to explore on your own. Let's start today and watch ourselves transform. Good luck.